Welcome back, guys. Today I want to read to you one of my favorite stories, Chicka Chicka Boom Boom by Bill Martin Jr. and John Archambault, and it's illustrated by Lois Ehlert. Here we go. Chicka Chicka Boom Boom. A told B, and B told C, I'll meet you at the top of the coconut tree. Wee, said D to EFG, I'll beat you to the top of the coconut tree. Chicka chicka boom boom, will there be enough room? Here comes H up the coconut tree. And I, and J, and tag-along K, all on their way up the coconut tree. Chicka chicka boom boom, will there be enough room? Look who's coming, L, M, N, O, P. And Q, R, S, and T, U, V. Still more, W and X, Y, Z. The whole alphabet up the... Oh no! Chicka chicka boom, boom. Look what happened to all of the letters. Skit scat scoodle doot flip flop flee. Everybody running to the coconut tree. Mamas and papas and uncles and aunts hug their little dears and dust their pants. Help us up, cried A, B, C. Next from the pile up, skinned knee D, and stub toe E, and patched up F. Then comes G, all out of breath. H is tangled up with I. J and K are about to cry. And L is knotted like a tie. M is looped. N is stooped. O is twisted. Ollie oop. Skit scat scoodle doop flip flop flee. Look who's coming. It's black-eyed P. Q, R, S, and loose tooth T. Then U, V, W, wiggle jiggle free. Last to come, it's X, Y, Z. And the sun goes down on the coconut tree. But, chicka chicka boom boom, look, there's a full moon. A is out of bed, and this is what he said. Dare, double dare, you can't catch me. I'll beat you to the top of the coconut tree. Chicka chicka boom boom. Do you see all the letters at the end of this book? Do you think you can help me sing a song? Do you know your ABCs? Can you sing it with me? Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? I hope you loved Chicka Chicka Boom Boom. I'll see you later, guys. Bye-bye.